Good medical morning. At 56 years old, Tom Catini is now fighting a flesh-eating bacteria. He and his family first noticed a small bump on his left forearm. After 4 days, the bump grew to the size of a baseball. That's when Catini decided to get it checked out by doctors at Mercy Medical Center in Mount Shasta. The doctors there determined the lump was a flesh-eating bacteria. After 2 surgeries, he was sent to OHSU in Portland for further evaluation and surgeries. Tanya McAllister, Catini's daughter, said, "It's been very difficult just to watch him. I mean, the doctor in Mount Shasta actually had to come out with the family to pray because she honestly didn't think he was going to live." At OHSU, Catini underwent 3 more surgeries. McAllister says doctors believe the infection was caused by Catini constantly putting his weight on an armrest when sitting down in his favorite chair. She says her father has trouble walking, so uses a walker. Most days when he sits in his chair, he puts his weight on his left arm on the armrest. Doctors believe the constant weight in the same spot may have caused a cyst. A small cut may have opened and infected the cyst, causing the bacteria to spread. McAllister says doctors told the family the bacteria had spread throughout his body, but had not done too much extensive internal damage. However, with the bacteria, antibiotics, and surgeries, McAllister says Catini is now seeing a speech therapist to help with his speaking. His words are now slurred. She says the past 11 days have been stressful emotionally, but have also put a financial strain on the family. The family has set up a GoFundMe to help with medical costs, ranging from surgery to hospital stays. According to the GoFundMe page, the family is considering Ronald McDonald House charity. If you'd like to help the Catini family, you can do so on the GoFundMe page. Mount Shasta doctors weren't sure Catini would survive, but McAllister says OHSU doctors say Catini's recovery is going amazingly well. They just fear he may not survive the number of surgeries he has endured and will endure in the near future. Most of the future surgeries will be skin grafts to repair his arm. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, this is Watson. Have you been curious about carbon facial masks? Well, I want to show you one of my favorite beauty masks. Carbon facial masks help restore collagen, which naturally fills in wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. They also help unclog pores and prevent new blemishes from occurring. This mask gives you multiple uses for well under 20 bucks. It has high quality ingredients and will leave you with beautiful skin and a healthy glow. Just follow the Amazon link below.